Welcome to Married to Portuguese. On each episode, my English-Irish husband, Bob, and I discuss and laugh about our life and adventures in the Portuguese culture.
Bom dia.
Bom dia. Hi, everyone.
I don't know why it's so funny when I say it.
I don't know. It's so different. It's because you don't speak Portuguese, so when you say anything Portuguese. I know.
Did speak.
I know you did. And you're trying.
No, that was successful. That was successfully speaking Portuguese.
Yes, he was.
And a weird thing happened this week. We have one of those Google assistants in the house.
Yes, we do.
And I asked it to do something, and it responded not in English. It responded in Brazilian.
I know, and we couldn't get it to stop.
And I recognized it, by the way.
Yes, we couldn't get it to stop. So we love electronic stuff. And so we have Alexa, we have Google Home, we have like all of these different things. So, and usually it's just for the news, for the weather, for, music to play, whatever, on our Spotify. But this was strange. It was strange.
Because it only happens if you go into the settings.
Yeah, I don't know.
Choose a language, and neither of us did that.
No, not at all. So even Google knows that you're learning Portuguese, just not Brazilian Portuguese. Not Brazilian. But that was kind of neat. But why are we here today, Bob? Why are we here?
Oh, I ask myself the same question.
What is life? Yes.
But the board of directors and I were meeting this week, and they said, what will you be discussing this week? And I said, well, here's the deal. It's the start of summer.
Yes.
And we're going to take a summer break.
Yes, we are.
We're going to take a summer break.
A much needed summer break.
Yes. So we will be back with Married to Portuguese at the end of summer. We may pop up
here and there
during the summer, but we are planning on sticking our toes in the sand and
we are
staring off into space.
Yeah.
But that's not the only news this week.
It isn't?
No.
What is it?
Well.
Oh!
The show goes national.
It went national.
By the time you see this, it will have gone national.
Yes, it went nationwide. It became available to be nationwide. And so as of today, we have, out of the 350 stations throughout the U.S., we've got 20? Yeah, 120 stations who've already signed on.
Roughly 1/3 on the first day it was available.
On the first day.
Signed up for it. That's very exciting. And thank you to anybody who was part of that selection process.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So what I'm going to do is, and you'll see this by the time we put this out there, but I'm going to post all the stations that, as soon as I hear from certain stations that they're going to be airing it at a specific time, because that's the whole thing. It's, we make it available. This is just like season 1, which there are some stations airing it still to this day. And they re-air it all the time. Because I've got, as a matter of fact, today I had someone in Oklahoma send me a message and saying, I just saw the episode in Foodnish and you made this mousse. Do you have that recipe? I can't find the recipe. And it was too fast. I can't go back. I didn't record it. So, number 1, if you have a DVR, put in Maria's Portuguese Table, because it can air at 9 o'clock in the morning. It could air at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It could air at 9 o'clock at night, or 3:30 in the morning. I have no idea. And what happens is stations will pop them in at different times to see where they get more people to watch it, or whatever the case may be. So if you have a DVR, that is the easiest thing to do. And that way, whenever it airs, you'll have it and you'll be able to see it as often as you can. I know we have people who've DVR'd the first season and they still watch it to this day. They just rewatch what they've recorded. So, but it is really special. I'm so excited. On the first day, we had that many stations. that's a lot more than we did the first time around.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, I mean, my takeaway from that is people are watching it not for the Portuguese element of it,
Yes.
but for the entertainment value.
Correct.
They're interested in the Portuguese, but they're not like from our Portuguese
Right.
community. So
Right. Oh,
that's
no.
really cool.
No. Yeah. Oh, yeah, absolutely. There's like, I saw some of the stations that were very quick to pick up. And of course, Hawaii, you're right there again. Yay. We love you, Hawaii. And
Oklahoma, you are okay.
Yes,
I've been waiting to say that.
And then there's Milwaukee. There's San Francisco station picked up. What was the other one? There was a few of them that I went, oh, this is the same ones that picked up the first time
But
around.
remember, each station operates independently, so they choose what they want to air. So if you're not sure whether it's on locally for you, you need to go onto their website or give them a phone call.
Yeah.
If you don't see it on their schedule, call them.
Yep.
That's the key thing. Just call them.
Just call them.
Call them to thank them for putting it on the schedule,
Yes.
or ask them to place it on the schedule.
Yes.
But-
Yes. Perfectly said.
But thank you.
Yeah. So that's been amazing. That's really been amazing. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to hear what everyone else has to say, which is, it's been so far we've had such wonderful reviews from people who've watched it, and I'm just loving it. And they're asking for season 3. Season 3, as I've said before, we're just, one thing at a time.
Yes, let us dip our toes in the sand.
Yeah,
for a
let's
while.
rest for a little bit.
Recuperate.
Yeah, because in the fall, then we're back to being very busy again, God willing. Everything will be that way. And then, and we'll see what comes next year. But as of right now, well, I'll tell you what's coming up next year. Book 2. That's
You heard it.
book 2.
It's recorded.
Between you and me, book 2. That is
That is the priority.
That is the priority right now. And so that's the scoop, guys. So we're just going to take our time, enjoy as much as we can of our family, seeing friends that we haven't seen in a long time, and just having time for you and me.
Yes.
Yeah, that's important. So for those that are listening out there, please do the same. I mean, take the time if you can to be able to enjoy family and to be able to enjoy everything in the summer, especially. That's really important, because these days are flying by.
They are.
So we need to just, take a deep breath and kind of enjoy it.
Enjoy. I think that's what we want to say this week.
Yeah. So unless, like I said, we have like really great news of some sort that we need to share right away.
I mean, you'll still be on Facebook.
Oh, I'll be on Facebook still. That's not it. It's just doing this.
This podcast is going to take a break.
Yeah. We'll go for a little summer break.
Excellent.
And there you go. That's
So-
it.
Tell everybody you meet. Bon dia.
Bon dia.
See you in the fall.
See you in the fall. Bye-bye.
Thank you for listening. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'd love to hear your ideas for topics. Ciao.